As we age, our bodies change. It's natural. Our muscles might not be as strong and our stamina might decrease. But these changes don't have to define us. But that doesn't mean we have to slow down. In fact, staying active is more important than ever. Staying energetic after 50 is key to living life to the fullest. It's about embracing new activities and finding joy in movement. It's about having the energy to enjoy time with loved ones, pursue passions, and feel great every day. Whether it's playing with grandchildren or picking up a new hobby, energy is essential. It's about feeling young at heart, no matter your age. Laughter and joy are timeless. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs the right fuel and regular maintenance, so does your body. A car needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to run smoothly. Without it, the car would break down. Your body is the same way. Nutritious food, regular exercise, and proper care keep it running efficiently. By making smart choices, you can boost your energy levels and keep going strong. Simple changes can make a big difference. Remember, age is just a number. Celebrating milestones and enjoying life is what truly matters. It's never too late to make positive changes and unlock your full energy potential. New habits can lead to a more vibrant life. In the following point, we'll explore the key ingredients to a vibrant and energetic life after 50, from diet to exercise and mental well-being. Get ready to feel the difference. Embrace the journey to a more energetic you. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a high-performance car, would you? The same goes for your body. The food you eat is your fuel. Choosing the right foods can make a huge difference in your energy levels. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be staples in your diet. These foods provide sustained energy without the sugar crashes. Hydration is also crucial. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and sluggishness. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. Exercise is like a magic pill for your energy levels. It can transform your day, making you feel more vibrant and alive. It may seem counterintuitive, but moving your body actually gives you more energy. The more you move, the more energized you feel. Regular physical activity improves your cardiovascular health, strengthens your muscles, and boosts your mood. It can also help you sleep better at night. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Whether it's gardening, playing tennis, or doing yoga, consistency is key. It doesn't have to be strenuous. Even light activities can have significant benefits. Even moderate exercise, like brisk walking, can make a difference. It's about staying active and keeping your body moving. Swimming, dancing, or any activity that gets your heart rate up can be beneficial. Can make a big difference. The key is to find something you love and stick with it. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. It's important to stay hydrated and take breaks when needed. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This helps prevent injuries and ensures you build up your stamina safely. And don't forget to stretch. Stretching is crucial for maintaining flexibility and range of motion. Stretching improves flexibility and can help prevent injuries. Make it a part of your daily routine to keep your body limber and healthy. Number 4, rest and recharge. Sleep and mental health. Sleep is a fundamental aspect of our overall well-being, yet it's often overlooked in our busy lives. Just like your phone needs to recharge, so does your body. Without adequate rest, our bodies and minds can't function at their best. Getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining energy levels. It helps you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. When you sleep, your body repairs itself and prepares for the day ahead. This restorative process is essential for physical and mental health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Consistent sleep patterns can significantly improve your mood and cognitive function. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. This can include activities like reading a book or practicing a skincare routine. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. These small changes can make a big difference in your sleep quality. Your mental health also plays a significant role in your energy levels. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even a walk in nature can help. Stress, anxiety, and depression can drain your energy and leave you feeling depleted. It's important to address these issues to maintain your overall well-being. Make time for activities that bring you joy and help you relax. Engaging in hobbies and spending time with loved ones can boost your mood and energy levels. Number 5. Everyday energy, making it a lifestyle. Boosting your energy after 50 isn't about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your overall well-being. Incorporate the tips we've discussed into your daily life and make them habits. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast, get moving, and prioritize sleep. Manage stress through relaxation techniques or hobbies you enjoy. Surround yourself with positive people who lift you up. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Focus on making gradual improvements over time and celebrate your successes along the way. You've got this.